heard you. Eating your corn.
Yummy, yummy, Mom.
Yummy, yummy.
That's this one.
Yeah, we are sucking on the corn cob.
From my heart.
Oh, there.
Down went one of them. You dropped one. Yep. You see Susie looking at it. She's looking at Susie. Yeah, there's the Susie.
Mom.
Well, I wanted to show what you were looking at, honey bunny. Yeah. You looked down to look at Susie, because Susie was coming over to get your corn cob.
I don't want to take it away from her.
Mm-mm. No, she won't be happy if you take it away from her.
Talk about yelling and screaming. They'll be
She wants the other one.
Oh.
Yeah, aren't you adorable? Aren't you adorable? Just eating your corn.
Oh, I almost dropped it, Mom.
Yeah. Yeah. That's my baby. That's my girl. Yeah. Enjoy your corn. Enjoy your corn.